Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for all you health-conscious folks out there. We're going to delve into the amazing health benefits of a superfood that's both delicious and nutritious: pumpkin seeds. Whether you're a fan of snacking or looking to improve your overall well-being, you won't want to miss this. So, let's get right into it. 1. Nutritional Powerhouse. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are the edible seeds of pumpkins. And they're packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. In fact, just a small serving can offer a substantial nutritional punch to your diet. 2. Heart health. One of the most significant benefits of pumpkin seeds is their positive impact on heart health. These seeds are rich in magnesium, potassium, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Studies have shown that consuming pumpkin seeds regularly can help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart function. 3. Antioxidant Power. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our bodies from harmful free radicals, which can lead to various chronic diseases and aging. Pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of antioxidants, including vitamin E, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet, you can enhance your body's defense against oxidative stress. 4. Immune system support. Boosting our immune system is vital for staying healthy, and pumpkin seeds can lend a helping hand here too. They are rich in zinc, a mineral known for its immune-boosting properties. Consuming pumpkin seeds regularly can help strengthen your immune system and protect you from common illnesses. 5. Mood and sleep regulation. Did you know that pumpkin seeds can have a positive impact on your mood and sleep? These little wonders contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Serotonin not only improves mood but also promotes better sleep quality. So, next time you're feeling stressed or having trouble sleeping, consider munching on some pumpkin seeds. 6. Prostate health. Gentlemen, take note. Pumpkin seeds have shown promising benefits for prostate health. They are a rich source of zinc, which is essential for maintaining a healthy prostate gland. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds may reduce the risk of prostate issues as you age. 7. Bone health. As we age, maintaining strong bones becomes crucial. Pumpkin seeds contain essential minerals like phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium, all of which play a vital role in bone health. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet, along with a balanced diet and exercise, can contribute to better bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 8. Weight management. If you're watching your weight, pumpkin seeds can be a great addition to your diet. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in these seeds helps promote a feeling of fullness, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy options. They can also boost your metabolism, aiding in weight management efforts. 9. Skin and hair benefits. Pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of essential nutrients that promote healthy skin and hair. The zinc, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids found in these seeds contribute to skin repair, hydration, and a natural glow. Additionally, they support strong and lustrous hair growth. 10. Delicious ways to incorporate pumpkin seeds. Now that we've explored the incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds, let's discuss some delicious ways to incorporate them into your diet. You can sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or even roast them with your favorite spices for a crunchy snack. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, folks. The health benefits of pumpkin seeds are truly impressive. From heart health and immune support to mood regulation and glowing skin. So, the next time you carve a pumpkin, make sure to save those seeds and put them to good use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And join our community for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.